Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because I want to let you guys know that I will be starting very soon Catch the Wick Bootcamp. This is a very intense bootcamp that I'm putting together that takes you, and it does not matter what level you are in your trading journeys. If you are a hardcore beginner, in fact, I prefer beginners because they don't have to unlearn all the bad habits that they've picked up throughout their trading journeys, right? One of the most difficult things for traders who have been in this game for some time and they're still struggling is to unlearn the bad habits. So if you're new to the game, or if you are advanced in the game and you're still struggling and not being able to consistently profit, are struggling with the mind game, are struggling with the psychology of trading, fall a victim to FOMO, this is a course for you, because what I'll do is it's a 12-day intensive daily 1.5 to 2 hours class with homeworks assigned. We talk in depth about market structure. We talk in depth about supply and demand, liquidity, different types of liquidity. What is a chalk? Basic things as what is a chalk, and a lot of people get that wrong. And the beauty of this entire thing is that everything is mechanical. It's sustainable. You can do it day in and day out. Once you build this skill set, nobody can take it away from you. You know, even if you are well settled in your life, or if you are a student and you want that extra cash, you should always be learning and building new skill sets. And this, I believe, is a skill set that will last you a lifetime. You can pass it down to your children, to your families, to your friends, whoever you want to, but nobody can take this away from you. You'll probably have a job. You'll probably have a job today and no job tomorrow. Who knows? The world is going crazy at this time, but the markets will always be there. If they're dropping, you can make money. If they're going up, you can make money, and that skill nobody's taking away from you, right? So another part of this thing is it's not only the theory part of it. I am bringing in 5 mechanical entry models that you can use day in and day out, literally day in and day out, without any fear of either losing, FOMOing in, because majority of them are very high probabilistic profitable entries that will take you to the winners. So if you're excited, please, there is a link in the description. Do register your interest. There is, of course, everybody says this limited seats, but I truly mean that this is a limited seating opportunity. And the reason for that is because I want to make sure that when I engage with the students, that I give them their private time, that people can ask me questions. I don't want to have 50, 100 class student, because then it just becomes noise. A lot of people just don't understand what it is. And I want to ensure that everybody gets my undivided attention within that time frame that I'm teaching. And then obviously there is a lot more perks that goes after the bootcamp. So that was a shameless advertisement about what I'm about to do. But in order to tell you what, I'll give you a sneak peek on the things that you can learn very quickly. I'll show you this. This is a chart, right? 15 minutes over here and 1 minute over here. And I've highlighted this candle. And just to give you an idea what is happening in the course. First of all, people don't really understand what is the story behind every candle. You see this, right? You see this, and the areas that I've marked in blue, people will say that this is complete gibberish, this is noise. This is complete gibberish, this is noise. For me, this is not noise at all. Every day a candle is formed, every minute a candle is formed, every 4 hours, daily, monthly, whatever time frame you're on, there is an undisputed fact that nobody can deny, right? That the candle body formation has a body and a wick on the top side and the wick on the bottom side, right? Sometimes there are no wicks and there's a body. Sometimes the body is really tiny and you have massive wicks. Whatever the case may be, that's the formation of a candle. If you don't understand what are the wicks telling you, if you don't understand what is the body telling you, and if you don't understand what is the data set, what is the story within that candle, and you're trading blindly on a rejection here, a rejection there, you are setting yourself up for failure. You're doing yourself a disservice, because if you don't understand what is going on, how are you going to do this for the next 10, 15 years? Because you will be way frustrated within a week or 2 weeks when Sometimes that strategy works and sometimes it does not. You want that consistency, right? So coming back to the charts, and by the way, this is you'll learn all of this in much more depth that I can ever show on YouTube, just because of the time and effort that it will take. But in the class, in the boot camp, it will be in so much depth and clarity that will take your trading, I promise you, to the next level. I guarantee it, right? So you will learn within the thing that why and how did I choose this candle? Why did I mark this box, right? Why is it that this candle is what I'm targeting to catch the wick of the falling candle? And that is what the entire bootcamp is about, right? And what Fortitude FX and we at FFX methodology that I put together is all about getting in early. It is about catching the wick at the earliest, right? And the premise is very simple. If you have a bullish candle, your anticipation is that the second candle is bullish. And how do I get involved mechanically? That is the key part, to catch the wick of the second candle, right? And that is the entire game. I want to get involved at the lowest entry to catch those entire trends. So why did I select this candle? Very quickly, I selected this candle because it has shown me that on the 1 minute chart that I can read, I can see that candle, and I can only read directly from here that the 1 minute has already turned bullish. It has put together a bullish structure for me. These previous highs have been broken, and these highs were responsible for breaking these lows. So they have been broken, and now I'm looking only for positive going upwards, right? So how do I get involved in this? Very simply, I look at a number of things. I look at first liquidity. So you will learn, why did I place my line over here? Why do I call this a high liquidity point? Why do I strong liquidity point? Why is it not a weak point? You're breaking the highs and the lows in the same candle. What is the story behind this? And then what I do is I place my stop order for a long, right there, at the breakout of this candle to the top side, right? And look at this. This trade you could have run. My apologies. This trade you could have run all the way. Oh my goodness. Let me just zoom that in for you. All the way here. That's a freaking 17-hour trade. You have a 2.8 pip stop loss. This is how you get involved in these really tiny stop losses. This is how the sniper entries are done in a mechanical way, not based on your gut feeling. This is how you consistently can do this day in, day out. You can program this almost, right? And you will learn all of that within the boot camp. Very simple. Another candle that I marked over here. Why did I mark this candle? Because it is breaking structure to the top side. Wouldn't you not call this inside bar, the low of this inside bar, a liquidity grab? Once the liquidity grab is done, all I do is simply place my stop order at the top of the wick, cover the bottom of the wick, cover the bottom of the wick, 2.3 pip stop loss, and you can ride that all the way. I mean, this one really does not come even to the break-even part, depending on your broker. But this one, if you were to ride to the same length as the other one, this takes you, this takes you all the way to maybe 23 hours, right? Now, of course, you will tell me this are cherry-picked examples, but guys, ask yourself, right? If I put this aside, right, and I just zoom this out, can you not see that every freaking candle has a wick on the top side and the bottom side? Can you not see that probabilistically, if a candle is strong bullish, then the whole series of candles go down? If a candle is strong bullish, then a whole series of candles are going bullish. Can you not see that? If a candle is strong, there is multiple candles that follow that and developing that trend. If a candle is bearish, a momentum candle, a lot of these candles are coming down. So why can I not then get involved at the earliest possibility in catching these wicks at the top side and then ride the trend? That is all there is to it. You don't need to make it overcomplicated. There are session definitions that I have put in place. I've tested this for years and years now. It has done me very well. So I'm pretty confident in what I'm showcasing over here. And if you are indeed interested in taking your trading to the next level, elevate to the next level, then please do fill in the form, show me your interest, and we will get in touch with you and I'll share more information about it. Take care, guys. Bye now.